Here at the Allen Institute, we always wanted to have a dedicated space for science education, and this education lab will feel very different than learning science from textbooks. This is a place where people can actually use data, experiment, and we hope it can spark the curiosity of everyone that visits.
What we're doing here is trying to make science more accessible to more people. With the lab opening, we're entering our new era, and we're really excited about the ability to offer these hands-on experiences that we haven't been able to offer in the past.
I think so far we've really just scratched the surface in terms of what's going to be possible in this new lab space. We've been developing activities that let students explore foundational biology concepts like DNA to RNA to protein. Students will actually be able to do a lab where they can see that process as it's occurring.
The science that we're doing at the Allen Institute is really at the cutting edge. So what we do in the lab is versions of those techniques that high school and undergraduate students are experiencing for the first time, things that they can't do in their home classroom.
My name is Susan Russell. I'm a science teacher at Linwood High School. I think more and more kids are interested in science. I'm seeing that in this community for sure. I think they're going to be really excited to come to the Allen Institute. They walk in and they're awed with the environment, with the sophistication of the laboratory equipment and facilities.
Students are the next generation of not only future scientists, but also future medical professionals who might be your doctor someday. And so giving them these opportunities to come in and do science as it's actually practiced, learn about the process of science, what science means to the world, is a really fantastic opportunity for them.
We want this education lab to be not only for education of the next science leaders, we want it to be for the education of the next leaders.
Getting them on site can be life-changing for them. It dispels some of the stereotypes of who they think scientists are, and once they see scientists of all different backgrounds and ages, I see them get really excited about doing science.
I've definitely heard students talking on their way out after a visit to the Institute saying, oh, when I'm in college, I want to come back here for a summer internship, or I want to work here someday. And so I absolutely think we are seeing students in our education lab who someday will come back to be future leaders at the Allen Institute.
Science is for everyone, and our lab experiences are for everyone. You don't have to be a scientist to understand science, to appreciate the role that it has in your life, and we're continuing to innovate on the science that we're teaching because there's something new happening every day in the world of research, and for students and educators, we can offer them the resources to be able to do that.